Hey there, today we're doing the second part of our mac and cheese lab, so this is going to come in box form for you. You can go ahead and make that and answer the questions that are in the slide deck. This particular slide deck has you taking a look at some of the ingredients that are in the mac and cheese, so you'll have to look up an ingredient label online since I'm splitting the boxes. And also what the purpose of that ingredient is in mac and cheese. They may not be the same as the ones that you find because each recipe, believe it or not, for Kraft macaroni and cheese is quite a bit different. So, but in any case, they are used in some form, these ingredients that are in the end here. And they all have a purpose. So go ahead and make sure that you look up the compound in that for that. And finish that and submit, and have a fantastic day.